Indulge in this exquisite recipe for a healthy, flourless brownie. Gather ripe bananas, eggs, cocoa powder, and baking powder. Start by mixing all the ingredients by hand or using a blender for speediness. Once you have a smooth chocolatey mixture, pour it into silicone molds. Bake them for about 20 minutes in a preheated oven. These brownies are naturally sweetened by the bananas, but feel free to add a bit of stevia if you crave extra sweetness. For a final touch, drizzle with melted chocolate. Brew a strong cup of coffee, take a bite, and savor this guilt-free delight. Check the description for full details.